Installing the cutter on a ZT411 series printer. Turn off the printer and disconnect the power cord and data cables. Connect yourself to an anti-static device. Place the printer on a grounded anti-static mat. Open the media door. Remove any media and ribbon. To remove the front panel, press on the detent button, then slide the panel to the side. Tip it forward and release from the printer. Hold the cutter assembly and route the cable through the access hole. Set the cutter onto the hooks and lift and slide on. Install the mounting screw. Connect the cutter cable to the 10-pin option connector. Install a cable tie through the printer tie point and around the cable. Place the catch tray in the mounting slot on the cutter cover. Reconnect the power cord and data cables. Turn on the printer. Reinstall the media and ribbon. Set the collection method to cutter and calibrate the printer. Select Menu, select Printer, select Label Position, select Collection Method, select Cutter, select Home. Feed label to test.